JIMCO's technologies will neutralize viruses and bacteria by recreating rays from the sun. These rays will temporarily change oxygen, O2, into ozone, O3. Ozone is highly reactive and can easily disrupt the core of a virus, which makes it impossible for the virus to survive. After the ozone reacts with the virus, it will turn back into oxygen. This process takes place in nature but does not exist indoors. Through our environmentally friendly technology, we can purify the air you breathe and disinfect the surfaces you touch. JIMCO's FLO-D Mini Mark II is providing a great benefit by properly disinfecting factories, including hatcheries for egg disinfection. Eggs can be disinfected at all stages, also at the farm level. The machine is very simple, and so is the user interface. Just make sure that the machine is located inside the desired disinfection area where the eggs are stored. For best results, you would need to check the following parameters: high humidity, under pressure in the room, no people in the room during treatment. Before treatment starts, close the door and control the unit by a smartphone or tablet. The unit contains an access point, which makes it possible to connect via Wi-Fi. You will be able to name your machine ID, for example, Disinfection Room 1, or which batch you are disinfecting. This ID follows the data log. The machine has several disinfection modes, which makes it possible to choose the one that fits your process. Click on the Run button, and the system will start according to your planning. As well as being controlled with a smart device, the unit will announce via the loudspeaker before the treatment starts, 5 minutes before, 2 minutes before, and 1 minute before. Once the treatment begins, the FLO-D Mini Mark II will spread ozone into all surfaces and corners in the room. The ozone ppm level raises, giving a high level of disinfection, and will eliminate all types of microorganisms in the area. Once the unit gives the signal, a green check mark appears on the smart device and on the unit, which means that the treatment is done. You are now allowed to enter the room and make another treatment, even in another area. The JIMCO FLO-D Mini Mark II contains a patented technology to data log your treatment. This data log will save the data on a USB stick and will work as your guarantee of disinfection. After the treatment, take out the USB and place it into your computer to see the results. The unit will save data such as date, time, ppm levels, temperature, and relative humidity. The log file will also contain the unit ID edited in the earlier stages, in this case ID Disinfection Room 1. Data log history works as your documentation and your customer's documentation of a pathogen-free product and environment.